Hello, this is a company which I have opened randomly in Screener. Now I am scrolling down. This is the actual Screener page and see what you get here. Extra feature. I can change the value and these numbers will change. So we are looking at the sales growth, gross profit, operating profit, PAT, debt, more extensive growth box than this normal growth box which you get in Screener. So suppose you want to study a company from here till here, right? So what I can do is I can make this 6 and I can make this 5. So if I only want to study a smaller period, not the full 10-year period or the 5-year period, and look at the numbers, no special tools are required.